Hey guys, welcome back. So it's gonna be a quick video. I just finished making this explosion box and I thought it came out so super cute, so I wanted to make a video. So let me show you. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I did the front very plain because I guess the wow factor is in the inside. And this is a tutorial I followed from Anne Positively Paper Crafts. And when you open it, look how cute. It's a garden. Isn't this beautiful? I love this so much. So it's an explosion box, but what she did was she covered, I guess she sealed this section right here so she can form her garden. And these are all flowers from my stash. I think it looks so cute. I added that little fence. And this is that paper pad from Michaels called, it's the Hot Buy called Mint to Be. I've been using this paper pad like crazy. So all these are cutouts from the paper pad. This one says, "Be my sunshine." This one says, "May the flowers remind us why the rain was so necessary." Isn't this cute? Like, I love this. Perfect. Maybe like a get well card or even a birthday. The person gets it and boom, they have their little garden. And this is something that you will keep open, you know, even if eventually you want to maybe cut this piece off and just save the little garden. You see what I'm saying? You could do that. Actually, you could just leave it like that too if you want. But look how cute. Like, I love this so much. And it was so freaking easy to do. Super, super easy. So I'm going to put the link to her tutorial in the description bar. Definitely pass by. Tell her I sent you. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.